These pneumatic hacksaws are really great through cutting through sheet metal really quickly. The thing is, the blades for it are pretty expensive, but you can make them really easy with just a hacksaw blade. These are cheap, you get them in packs just like this with a bunch in there, but probably notice this is a bit too long to be able to use in the saw, obviously, so we're going to need to cut this down and make it a little bit more usable. In cutting it yourself is you can get whatever custom length you want, or whatever tip you want, so it's really customized. So if you're doing a certain project, not only is it cheaper, it's also very customizable. Because this is hardened steel, you're going to have to use a cutoff wheel. So I'm going to be using a rotary tool cutoff wheel. You could use a angle grinder cutoff wheel as well. Now we're going to mark it where we want to cut it. And make sure your teeth are pointing down, so whenever it comes down on its cut stroke, it's going to be pushing into the guard. Otherwise, it'll just kick your tool away. If you want, you can score it and snap it, or you can go all the way through. Because it's hardened steel, it's a little bit more brittle. And at this point, you can add custom shape to it. So if you buy a blade, a lot of times it'll get thinner up here at the tip, so you can make some more curved cuts. Mostly this is going to be a straight cut blade, so I do want a lot of that width. But I kind of want this rounded a little bit and deburred. Now we can go ahead and hook up the air. We need to get the hole started with this. This works really nice. I mean, there's no distortion in the metal, and it did a great job. It cuts right through it like butter. It's amazing. And that made a great cut, and these blades are a lot cheaper than buying them anywhere else.